Hey guys, it's Unicorn Slime. Welcome back to my channel, and also welcome to day 5 of Kawaii Christmas. And also that was Mr. Deer, by the way. And today I'm going to show you guys how to make this super pretty kinetic sand slime. And it's super glossy. Not glossy, it's super soft. And also today's shout out goes to it's just KAYLA T and Crafty10. And also a few more people in the description box below. And also if you want a shout out, then check out the description box below. And yeah, this is my Christmas series, by the way. And keep watching to see how to make your own. Let's get started. So first up, I'm going to start by adding some white PVA glue into my little bowl. And let me know how you like this like wintry Christmassy editing as well. And now I'm going to add some lotion, some clear body wash, and conditioner. You can get the clear body wash at Bath & Body Works. I think this one is like a regular Bath & Body Works little thing that I put in a little bottle. And now I'm going to add some teal food coloring. It's some slime food coloring, but you can add any. And now I'm going to add some baby oil. All this stuff will just make your slime super clicky and glossy. You can leave it out if you want to, but I suggest adding it. Now I'm going to mix it together. And it should kind of look like glossy soup. Oh my gosh, I'm cracking. It's so funny. And now I'm just going to add some borax. Borax recipe will be linked in the description. Or you can just listen to me right now. It's 1 cup of warm water with a teaspoon of borax. Or you could use Kinetic solution and baking soda. And you just need to keep mixing, keep adding until it starts to pull. And yeah, this is how it turned out. And I'm going to do some ASMR. 1, 2, 3, let's go. So then I just added some kinetic sand, and now I'm just going to mix it together. Okay, so a little tip, if the kinetic sand is not mixing in the slime, then you're going to just add some white PVA glue, mix it together, and it's going to turn more soft. Now it's time for some ASMR. 1, 2, 3, let's go. And that was Mr. Deer again.